Hey, my name is Arthur. I'm an engineer here at BlueFletch, and today I've got the Zebra TC201 in my hands. This is Zebra's latest entry-level enterprise touch computer, and it's aimed at frontline workers in retail, healthcare, and light warehousing. I want to walk through what makes it interesting, what's new, and how it actually works. So right off the bat, the TC201 is noticeably lighter and thinner than Zebra's TC52 or 58 line. The display is bright enough for indoor and outdoor readability, and the form factor is close enough to a consumer phone that your frontline workers aren't going to feel like they're carrying a brick. Where it gets interesting for us is the scanning. The TC201 ships with the same imager you'd find in their higher tier devices. Barcodes, QR codes, even damaged or poorly printed labels, it picks them up fast. Battery life is solid for the price point. The battery will get most workers through a full shift, and it supports Zebra's battery management, so IT can actually monitor battery health across the fleet. From an MDM perspective, this thing slots right into your existing management stack. And this is where BlueFletch comes in. We've already validated the TC201 with our enterprise launcher, SSO, and identity products. So if you're deploying these as shared devices across shifts, your workers can badge in with NFC, get their personalized app layout, and be working in seconds. Bottom line, the TC201 is a strong option if you need a cost-effective enterprise device that doesn't cut corners on scanning or manageability. It's not trying to be a warehouse worker like the TC73, it's purpose-built for task workers who need something reliable, manageable, and easy to pick up. If you have questions about running BlueFletch on the TC201 or any other device, drop a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching.